Okay, welcome to this week's video. This is a tiny little blank here. I think it's only about, I don't know, it's maybe a couple of inches tall, about 2.5 inches diameter. It's made from the 4 shades of green, which I do for some of the pen blanks, and this is a custom order for somebody, and it is going to be a ring box. So today I am going to turn that, like I say, it's just going to have a tiny little lid and hollow it out a little bit, just somewhere for them to put the ring, and just try and shape it up a little bit on the outside and make it look nice and glossy. I just put a waste block on the bottom here. I'm actually just going to turn that to round, and then I'm going to put it into the chuck, and that will be that. It's more so just to round off this bit here so that it fits in okay. So it's all going to be in time lapse, so there'll just be a bit of music to listen to, and I really hope you enjoy.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken. Take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken,